Hello, Theophile. How you doing? What are you doing? You cooking? He's saying, he has his tablet playing while he's making this mess. You see him in a minute, he will press the tablet. That's how he does. He'll be doing 2, 3 things. Hey! Costa is old anyway.
Là, le Costa est pour nous. Là, se lave avec le Costa.
Mr. Man, what are you doing? Mr. Man. Theophile, what are you doing? You are painting your pants or what are you doing? What's happening?
Là, il n'essaie même pas de l'enlever là où il est maintenant. Parce que je suis sûre que dans sa tête, c'est qu'il a trouvé quelque chose de fun. C'est la manière de toucher, comment c'est soft et tout ça.
Theophile. Show you this later. 10 years later, I will show you. You cooking? Cooking Costa? He said, He changed the tablet. I wanted to catch him changing the tablet. When he's playing other things, he always have the tablet. Yeah, you see? He changed the tablet. You cooking, Costa? Children. Okay.